Hello, get ready for a permanent hair transformation you've never seen anywhere. My before and after result will blow your mind. Have you ever straightened your natural African hair, or you're planning to straighten your natural African hair? And if this is what you're looking for, this is the right video to be. Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm super excited to share with you my hair transformation from my natural African hair to straight hair. And without wasting your time, let's get started. Well guys, this is how my hair looks like, purely natural and African, and I'm proud to be an African woman. So let me give you a 360 of how my hair looks like. So it's really natural, there is nothing added on it. And well, briefly, without wasting your time, let me show you the products I'm going to be using. First of all, I'm going to be using this as it's called hair food or hair dressing, but I'm going to be using it as basing cream, which is here. Hopefully the camera is doing justice. That's product number one I'll be using on my hair. And the second product I'm going to be using on my hair is going to be the relaxer, which is a game changer that is going to straighten my hair. Hopefully the camera is doing justice on it. Like I don't know if you can see the clear image, but like I'll give it to you over here, which is here. Okay, after I'm done with relaxing my hair, I'll be using this shampoo, which is called Breeze, and hopefully you can see it over here. So it's a shampoo used after relaxing your hair, which is here. And thirdly or fourthly, I'll be using this treatment to my hair. I'll be showing you the clear picture over here, so you can clearly see it. So those are the products I'm going to be using in this process. If you're watching me until now, thank you. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly do so that you don't miss any of my uploads, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. Well guys, right now the process of straightening, or one you can call the process of transforming my hair from natural hair to straight hair, is starting right now. And in this process, I'll be starting with basing my hair. When I'm basing my hair, I always use hair food. I know this process, I know it's time consuming, but one thing I'm assuring you is going to be worth your time. So in this time, I'm basing my scalp, which is very important because it lays the foundation for me so that my hair can take off. So this process is very important when you talk about straightening your hair. So this is what is my English? So this is here we are right now.
Remembering the holiday party we had with the crew.
At this point, the first step is done, which we've just seen, basing my scalp. Right now, I'm applying relaxer, or some people call it cream, on my hair. Guys, what is happening right now? I'm transforming, or I'm changing my hair permanently to straight hair. Guys, there are so many ways people can talk about hair straightening. Some people use flat iron, some people use rush brush. All of those things are right, but what I'm doing right now, I'm breaking the virginity of my hair, like from natural hair to straight hair. Like it will be permanently that way. Like whenever I just get growth from down, I just do the regrowth, but my hair is going to be permanently straight. Hopefully I've explained everything well, and if you feel like you need more explanation about this, let me know down below in the comment section, because I just do not want to leave anyone behind in this video. I just want us to come together and really understand what is happening here right now.
Sitting in the basement apartment I rented with you.
Right now, my hairdresser has applied cream on all, or you can call it a relaxer on all my hair. So what she's doing right now, she's smoothing my hair to make sure it takes, or one can call to make sure it is straight. So guys, if you're watching until now, are you even thinking of doing what I'm doing? Are you even thinking of straightening your hair permanently like me? Let me know down below in the comment section. Or you thinking of doing it other way, not doing my way? So let me know down below in the comment section. Let me know why you're choosing or you're deciding that. Myself, like, I just don't want bad hair days. I just want to have it easy in terms of like combing my hair. I just want it very, very easy. So, and guys, if you're still watching me until now and you haven't liked this video, you haven't subscribed to the channel, so just subscribe to the channel and let's keep going. And I'm promising you this video is going to be worth your time. If you've been here from the beginning to now, you can discover the transformation I'm talking about. Guys, right now my hair is very, very, very fine, so straight. From the beginning you saw it curly with a lot of volume, but nothing you can see right now. It looks so fine right now. And I'm just proud of myself, like everything has taken so well, like everything looks fine. Right now I'm getting ready to remove the cream from my hair. It has done its purpose. I no longer need it. And guys, remember, if you overleave it, it can burn you, so you have to do it faster. And myself, like, I cannot stay that long. So yeah, let me kick the bathroom and remove the cream, and then we can talk later.
In the basement apartment,
Well guys, now I'm out of the shower and check my hair. Very straight, easy to comb through, looking so black. Guys, like, oh wow, I made it. Guys, to be honest, my hair took well, so it's good. I love it. But like right now I'm heading to styling, so catch you on the other side when I'm styling my hair. I know most of you are curious to know my final look, so if this is what you're looking for or this is what you want to see, just keep tuned in and watch to the end. So let's go on styling right now.
sitting in the basement apartment I rented with you.
Well guys, right now I'm using rollers on my hair. Guys, do you know why I'm using rollers on my hair? Guys, rollers can give my hair that beautiful look, or that vibrant look to my hair, like when it has some curls on it, at the same time when it's straight, but when it's really outstanding. So guys, this is what we're doing right now. Many of you might not understand it, but people from Uganda or people from Africa in particular, you really know what this is and you really understand what I'm doing. So basically, this is where we are right now. Catch you on the other side after I'm done with rolling my hair. And then I know most of you are curious to see my final look, but guys, we are getting there in a few minutes from now.
Sitting in the basement apartment I rented with you.
Guys, this is how it looks like after putting rollers on your hair. So if you didn't know what I mean, so look at me now, you can understand what I mean. So guys, I'll go under the dryer right now to dry my hair so that I can quickly show you my final look, because I just want to give it to you super hot. Ladies and gentlemen, my final look is finally here, guys. Check how beautiful am I. If you can compare between my before and my after right now, guys, you'll be overwhelmed. Like, this is how it looks like after straightening your hair. So guys, I'm here to say bye to curly hair, bye to natural hair. Now I'm going to straighten hair permanently. So well guys, tell me if you want to try this look because it's amazing, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to like the video. Guys, I'll catch you on the other side on my new upload. Thank you so much. I'll say bye for now. Well guys, don't forget to check in my description box. I have so many videos of my hair tutorials, my hair transformation as a person. You can check them out. They're very nice videos you would need in your daily life if really you're struggling with maintaining your hair. So guys, like, don't forget to click into that video I'm leaving on my end screen, and if you want to know much or more about hair, also check my other videos. I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Catch you on my next upload or on my live stream. Anything I'll be doing or I'll put up there, you can just go and watch and support me. Thank you. Bye.